Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the music symbol on your Google Task mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the music symbol in Google Task mobile, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, I just opening this document and just going to in the edit mode. So there is no option to insert the symbol. If you click on this plus symbol, there is no option for inserting the symbol on your Google Task mobile. So use the keyboard. Here I just using Google keyboard. You just want to press this button. You can see the press numbering button. Then also you just want to click this equal button. You can see this option. Then you just need to click on this dot, long press on the dot. You can see the music symbol. So by this option you can easily insert the music symbol. It will be pop up on the top. You can just insert music symbol like this and just select it, click on this A symbol and just increase the size of the symbol like this, and you just cut, copy, paste wherever you want. This is how you just insert the music symbol on your Google Task mobile. Otherwise use your emojis keyboard here and just type as music here. You can see a lot of music symbols are here. You can use this too. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.